Good afternoon. I'm here with Andy in Chesterfield. And Andy, we recently resurfaced your pool deck, your driveway, front entryway, and your garage floors. Could you tell us what you thought about us doing the work for you?
Sure. So there was lots of different contractors to potentially choose from. I researched it very hard and finally came up with your all as a recommendation from a friend. It also turns out that you guys had done the prior work on this house. So the work that had been done before for the pool area was excellent. And so I thought, given the results that I had seen in the past and the referrals that I had gotten, that it was a good step to get a quote from you all. I got a reasonable quote on the backyard pool area as well as the garages and the driveway. The work that was done by the workers was excellent. They were very thoughtful and cleaned up all of their mess as they went along, and that ensured that the house was left in great shape. The work itself is excellent, and I highly recommend it.
Oh, thanks so much, Andy. I'm going to go ahead and pan and show the viewers your areas here.
Okay.